Hi, I'm Tony, and I'm here to introduce to you an amazing new product that will transform the learning experience in your school or classroom. But first, let me give you some interesting facts. Did you know that learners retain 30% of concept by reading or taking notes? But if you engage them using audiovisual, the retention goes up to 70% or more. And that's why we are happy to introduce the Chopee Edu Box. This device offers audiovisual lessons to your students in mathematics, science, and languages. It organizes the concepts in subjects, topics, and classes. Well, enough talk. Let's have a practical look at how it works. So first, we launch the platform. Then in this case, let's take an example. We go to mathematics, and then we go to class. This time we choose KCSE. And we go to the topic, and we can choose maybe paper 1 of 2010. Click on that. And then we'll go to question number 14, which we click on. We may decide to download, which we click there, and we wait for it to download. And what we do from there is we sit back, watch, and learn.
To KCSE Revision 2010, Paper 1. Welcome to KCSE Revision 2010, Paper 1. Now, question number 1 we have, without using a calculator, evaluate -2 into brackets, 5 plus 3, you close the brackets, minus 9 divided by 3 plus 5 divided by -3 multiplied by -5 plus -2 multiplied by +4. Now the solution for this is, we are going to use board mass to solve our question. And first of all, we will start with the brackets. And for the brackets, we will need to remove these brackets by multiplying everything inside the bracket by a -2. So we have a -2 into 5 plus 3, and this is equal to -2 multiplied by 5 is a -10, and the -2 multiplied by +3 is a -6. Now negative multiplied by a positive is equal to a negative. Now we have opened the brackets, and -10 now minus -6, this gives us a -16. Now substituting it to our original equation, we will have -16 minus 9 divided by 3 plus 5 divided by -3 multiplied by -5 plus a -2 multiplied by +4. We next move to off, and we do not have off. The next is division, and for division we have -16. Now -9 divided by 3, a negative divided by a positive is equal to a negative. Now -9 divided by +3, that will be a -3, and then we have plus 5 over -3 multiplied by -5 plus -2 multiplied by +4. Next, we move to multiplication, and here we have -16 minus 3 plus 5 divided by -3 multiplied by -5. Negative multiplied by negative is equal to positive. So we will have a +15 plus -2 multiplied by +4, and negative multiplied by positive is negative, and so we will have a -8. The next part we move to is addition, and for addition we will have a -6. Now -3 plus +5 is a +2. This is a -16 plus 2 divided by +15 plus a -8. Now this is equivalent to 15 minus 8, and that is a 7. And next next we move to, now still we have addition, and so we will have negative 16 plus 2 is a negative 14. Now we have divided by 7. Now 7 to 7 once, 7 to 14, 2 times. And here we have negative 1 multiplied by 2, we have a negative 2. Therefore, we can say that negative 2 into brackets 5 plus 3, you close the brackets, minus 5, minus 9 divided by 3 plus 5 over negative 3 multiplied by negative 5 plus a negative 2 multiplied by positive 4. This is equivalent to a negative 2, and that is a solution. Now, we have solved our question number 1 now without using a calculator by using BODMAS, that is brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and finally subtraction, to get our solution for question number 1 for KCSE 2010 paper 1. The solution is a negative 2, and that is the end for revision for question number 1 2010. Thank you.
We hope we have inspired you to take your school's learning experience into the next level. Feel free to contact us on 0722 706 672 or email us on talktous@chopee.co.ke.